Good morning, dear student. Today we start here exercise 6B exercise of second part of second video of this exercise. And today I will give you question number 4 because question number 3 is completed. First, second, third is completed. Now the question number 4 is changing the following fraction to decimal by changing denominators to 10 or multiples of 10. Means here your denominator should be 10 or your denominator should be multiple of 10. Okay, so dear children, we change here the denominators of this question. So if we multiply by 2, the denominator, then your denominator is 5 to the 10. So if we multiply by the denominator, then we do the multiply by numerator. Okay, so we multiply by 2 upon 2 equal 4 to the 8 and 5 to the 10. Equal answer is 8 upon 10. Then we change into the decimal. So here 1 0, so put here after 0.8, put here the decimal. Okay. Now the question number second, 9 upon 2. Here we multiply by 9. 5. If we multiply by 5, then denominator is 10. So 5 to the 10. So 9 5 the 45. Why we do the multiply by the numerator? Multiply by to the numerator, because if we multiply to the denominator, then we multiply to the numerator. हमें डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, नाउ चेंज इनटू द डेसिमल 4.5. हाउ? बिकॉज़ हियर 1 0, so put here after 1 digit decimal 1. Then we count here the right hand side. Okay, now the question number 3. Question number 3 is 11 upon 4. 11 upon 4. Now, multiple of 4 is, suppose we multiply by 25 and 25. Why we multiply by 25? Here we multiply by 2, 5, but here we multiply by 25. हमने यहाँ पे 25 को multiply क्यों किया है? यहाँ हमने smallest number का हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया. यहाँ पे क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 इक्वल 10. इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 10 है, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 10 है, बट 4 का मल्टीपल 10 नहीं होता. 4 to the 8, 4 5 to 20, 10 आता ही नहीं है. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 25 को मल्टीप्लाई किया. 25 4 जा 100 and 25 under 25 or 25 under 25 26 27. Now equal 275 and 2 0 here, so 1 2 digit decimal. Means हमें यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर आपका 10 होना चाहिए या 10 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. सपोज हम यहाँ पे 4 में 5 का मल्टीप्लाई करें, 4 5 से 20, तो 20 भी 10 का मल्टीपल तो है. 20 is the multiple of 10, but इधर 1 नहीं है. मीन्स आपका इधर ऐसा नंबर होना चाहिए, 10 हो या 100 होना चाहिए या 1000 होना चाहिए या 10,000 या lakh या 10 lakh. This type number should be. Okay, now the next question. Next number 1 upon 8. Question number 4 is 1 upon 8. Now multiply by 1 upon 8. If we multiply by 25 4 is 100. Then we multiply by here 50 upon 50. Okay, 50 1 is 50 and 50 8 5 is 40. Sorry. Question is 1 upon 8. Now multiply by Now, question number 8, 1 upon 8 multiplied by 25, if we multiply by 25 to 4 equal 100, then here 125 multiplied by 125 equal 125 125 upon 125 8 ja 5 8 ja 40 and 5 8 to just 16 plus 4 equal 4 16 plus 20 8 to 10 equal 3 digits, so put here the decimal 1 to 5 after 60. Okay, now the question number 5 is 16 upon 25. 16 upon 25. Here we multiply by the 4 upon 4. 25 4 ja 100 and 64 ja 64 equal 6 4 0.64. Here 2 digit, so we put the decimal here after 2 digit 1 2. Okay, so dear children, this question is completed. Now the next question, compare the following decimal number using smaller, greater or equal. So here we put the sign here 5. How we compare this number? First we compare the whole number. This is a decimal number and this is a whole number. This is a decimal number, this is a whole number. This is a decimal number and this is a whole number. Then first we compare the whole number, then we compare the natural decimal number. So dear children, here 5 is equal, here 1 digit, here also 1 digit. After decimal, here 9 and here 8. And 9 is greater here, 8 is smaller. So we put the sign this time. Okay? Because the open face is always in greater side. Now, here 23, here also 23, here 1, here 7 and here 9. So 9 is greater, so this decimal number is greater. Now 5.94 6. So here 5 and here 6. So this decimal is also greater. So 19, here 19, here 7, here 7, here 0, here 5. So this decimal is greater because here 0 and here 5. Now here 0 after decimal 6, here also 6, here 0, here 6. So this number is greater. So we put the sign this way. Now 30.690, 30.6, here 6, here 9, here 9. So this is the equal. Okay. Now 11, here also 11, here 1, here 0. So this decimal is greater. Now 2.938938. Here 7, here not any number. We change it to the like decimal. If we change it to the like decimal, so here 0 and here 7. So this decimal is greater. Here also if we can change the like decimal, here 690. Here we increase here the 0. I told you how we change it to the like decimal and like decimal. So we change it to the like decimal, then it is equal. So dear children, question number 5 is completed. Now question number 6. Now the question number 6 is rearrange these decimal number in order to size starting with largest. Here we write here the first we write here the largest number, then we write the smallest number. Means just like a descending order. Just like a descending order. Here not written here write in descending order. Here written is right starting with largest. Means हमें यहाँ पे largest से लिखना है, descending order में लिखा है, तो no problem. So first we 5.893. First question 5.893, comma 5.983, 5.983 and 5.930, 5.903 and 5.938 and 5.938. Now first we write here the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? Here 5 is equal. Then we compare this number 8999. So this is the smallest number, and after this we compare these three numbers. Here 9, then here 803. So this is the greatest number. So first we write here 5.983. Then here 9803. So this number is second greatest number. So 5.938. After this number we write this number 5.903. After this number, this is the smallest number, 5.893. Okay. Now the second question. Now the dear children, question number 2 is question number first is completed. Now the question number second. First we choose which is the greatest number. So 7, 7, 7, 7 and 7. Here 8, 0, 6, 6, 5. So this number is greater. So first we write here 0.786. After this number 7, 8. Here 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 5. So 7, 6, 7, 6. Here 0, here 8. The second number is this number. Equal 0.768. After this number, we write this number 0.760. Then after this number, we write this number because 0. Here 7, 7 here 0, here 5. So we write here 0.756. Then we write here 0.706. Okay, once again we check here 786, 786, 78, 76, 76, but here 8. Okay, now here 76, here 75, and here 70. Okay, now the last question is, first we choose the greatest number. Here 1. So this is the greatest number 0.1007 because in 10th place not any number here. All here 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now after this digit we compare these numbers. So here 0, 0, 0, 0. After 10th 100th place 0, 1, 7 and 1. So this number is greater. So we write here 0.710. Sorry. 0.710. After this number, now compare this number and this number. 10th place here 0, here 1, here 1 equal. Now 100th place here 7, 10th 100,000th place here 7, here 0 and here 7. Here no this we write this number and we write this number and this number. Okay, how many numbers are remaining? 1, 2 and 3 numbers are remaining. Now first we choose here which is the greatest. So here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0, here 1 and here also 1. So this and this number is greater. So after 1 here 0 and here 7. So we write here this number 0.0171. Then we write this number 0.0107, and we write the last number is smallest number is 0.0071. Okay, so dear children, this question is completed. Now the last question number is 7. Now the dear children, question number 7 is rearrange the decimal number in order to starting with smallest. In the question number 6, we started the greatest number, and here we started by the smallest number to the smallest number. So dear children, 3.934.60, first we choose the smallest number. Now 3, 4, 3, 3 and 4. So these two numbers are greater. Now choose this and this number 3, 3, 3, 9, 0, 4. So this is the smallest number 0, 7. Now after this number 9 here 4. So this is also smallest from this number. So 3.47. Then we write 3.93. Then 4, 4, 6, 1. So this is the smallest number 4.16. Then we write this is the greatest number 461. Okay. Now question number 2. First 207, 206, 200, 207, 206. So this is the smallest number. So first we write here 200.8. Now 206, 206. Here 8 and here 0. So this is the smallest number. So we write here 206.08. Then we write here 206.80. Now 207, 207. Here 0.0, here 0.8. So this is the smallest number. So 207.08, and this is the greatest number 207.8. Okay. Now the last question is, which is the smallest? Here 33003. So these three numbers are smallest. Now we compare these three numbers 0, 0, 0. Here 3, here 0, here 3. So this is the smallest number. So we write here 0.03. Now we can write this number. Now compare this and this number, this and this number. So 0.3 and 3 here 3, here 0. So this is also the smallest number from this number. So we write here 0.303. Then we write here 0.33. Now we write here, compare this number 1, 2 and 3 number. Here 3, 3 and here 3. Here 3, here 0, here 0. So this is the greatest and this number is the smallest number. But here 3 and there is also 3 here. Here 0, here 0, here 3, here 0. So this number is small. 3.003. Then we write 3.03, and this is the greatest number 3.3. Okay dear children, this exercise is completed. Now the question number 7 is also completed. In this question only 3 questions, question number 6 and question number 7. Now the next video I will tell you exercise 6C. So thank you, have a nice day.